today we're looking at how to create this flash effect in Davinci Resolve. So first off, the first thing you have to do is make sure that you get a shot where the person is posing, and they're posing in different ways, as if they're in a photo booth per se. And then after that, you're going to take the clip and cut it into different pieces where you can basically do a jump cut between the clips. And you put your camera on a tripod, and then you hit record, and you add them to the different poses. When this happens, after that, what you're going to do is you're going to cut the clips, trim them to the right moment of the video, and then you're going to add this flash effect that you're going to get right here in Davinci Resolve. So there's two ways you could do this. You can add the flash effect directly from Davinci Resolve, or you can export a white background, put it on top, play with the opacity, ramp it basically, and then that could create that effect too. Or in Davinci Resolve, they have that effect that's already available for people. So what you're going to do, you're going to go here into your filters, or you're going to basically just look for it, flash. It's not here, so you're going to go to your effects, flash. It's not here either. Sorry, in video transitions. So basically you're going to go into video transitions, into flash, brightness flash, take it and just drag it between the clip, and of course trim it in a way where it matches. And usually you're going to trim in maybe one frame to the length of one frame, so it's not very long. You know, it's basically a flash. It's 2 frames, so it's going to ramp itself out, and then that's pretty much how you create this effect in Davinci Resolve.